What's up guys, we are going to unbox this BF-109 German World War II RC fighter aircraft. It has 6-axis gyro system and 1K aerobatic functions, and it is suitable for 14 plus years of age. Let's unbox. Looks nice. It's a 4-channel RC airplane with rudder, elevator and ailerons as control surfaces. This is a 400mm wingspan RC Warbird and the model number is 761-11. You can get one in Spitfire version as well and the model number is 761-12. This is 2.4 GHz 4-channel transmitter for the plane. Left stick controls throttle and rudder while right stick controls elevator and ailerons. Let's see what else we get in the box. Rear landing gears and USB charger. 3-blade propellers. There are more propellers. 2-blade propellers. Two more 3-blade propellers. Instruction manual for the Warbird. Let's have a look. Safety precautions, charging warnings and box contents. Charging instructions and center control surfaces. Transmitter instruction, X-pilot switch, binding instruction and throttle unlock. Digital trims, channels reactions checking, 1K aerobatics instruction, 1K U-turn instruction, X-pilot system calibration and propeller saver instruction. You can see how you can replace propeller and power system. Flight checklist. And finally flying conditions. Let's install the landing gears. Done. I have charged the battery. Let's connect it to the plane. 3.7 volt 400 mAh lipo. Let's put in 4 AA batteries in the transmitter. We are all set.
Oh, kit. One.